How to change region or address in Instagram. Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to change your region in Instagram. So it is easy. Please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, open Instagram application. Tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on three lines on the upper right corner. Tap on settings. Tap on account. Scroll down and here tap on switch account type. It is very important that you switch to business account because in personal and creator accounts you cannot add your address to Instagram. So tap on switch to business account. Tap on switch. Now our account has changed to business accounts. So go back and here tap on go to profile. Now tap on edit profile option. Scroll down and here tap on contact options. Tap on business address and here you can add your address to Instagram, like your street address, city, zip code. So let's suppose I am entering a street address. That is a random address, and enter your city. Let's suppose I'm entering any city, and type your zip code here and then tap on tick mark on the upper right corner. Your address will add it to Instagram. So hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.